Hello, Adrian. This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So I know you spoke with Josh earlier today, so let's go through your website, see what's going on, and see what tips and tricks we can give you. So right off the bat, Lux Floor, excellent. I like this logo you have over here. Floor Projects is good, and you have drop-down menus for the stuff that you do, which is great. Here's the one thing I will say. You want your number is down here. You typically want it more toward the top of the page in its own little header, but there's nothing wrong with that. Enter your full name and phone number, request a call. Excellent. That's great. You might want to have another list over here that says, email me. Like, put your name, number, and all that stuff so they can do that. Professional flooring contractors, excellent. 15 plus years, happy clients, good, good, good. These are the services you're providing, excellent. You are talking a little bit about it, that's great. You do want to talk a lot more though. So typically you want to see about 2,000 words of content on your homepage alone. That kind of sets you apart. Google looks at that, they read through it, and then they can help you rank higher for stuff. Overall, solid website. Not really going to say much on it. Doing a great job. And then let's go over to your overview. Let's take a look at the back end over here, see what's going on. So right off the bat, you don't have a UR rating, which is how good your website is. You do have a DR of 2.5, which is how much Google trusts you. Now, the reason these numbers are very low is because you don't really have many backlinks. Now, a backlink is where you have your website link, luxfloorllc.com, somewhere else, where somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it returns to you. Now, not all backlinks are equal. Some are more spammy than others, like BuzzFeed and Wikipedia. You definitely stay away from those. But like stuff that really help you out, like good floor posts, like stuff like that, that'll really add credibility to your website to help boost you. Then finally, the last thing we'll talk about is your organic keywords. So keywords are what you have throughout your website that Google notices, and then when somebody types it into Google, they pair it with you. So let's take a look at what those 4 keywords are. Okay, so you only have one actually, not 4. Let's find out if I can refresh that. You might have lost some of the keywords and it hasn't like picked up on that yet. But we are looking at, yep, it's just one keyword. Lux Floor, which anyone in the United States can type in. Turns out this one is in Australia. Don't know why. Let's actually move you back to America. The United States. Show results. Still Lux Flooring. Not a lot going on over here, so never mind. We're not even going to talk about this. Let me show you what a good keyword is. Flooring Las Vegas. So not only is this location specific, it's also service specific. Somebody is looking for somebody to help them with flooring in Las Vegas. So we know they're local and we know they're looking for you. Now, not only that, these types of words are used to help create Google ads. As you can see, we got 2 of them over here. Actually, 3 of them. LO Flooring is one of them. But as we scroll down over here, this is your GMB, Google My Business profile. Very important to have these guys over here. About 30 to 40% of all people searching for anything will click on one of these 3 guys. Once you finish with that, though, you now have your regular area where you can rank your websites. We call this the organic search. Great news about this is anyone with a website can rank here. You just got to know what you're doing. So we have a Vegas Flooring Outlet is number 1. Now they're more of a flooring outlet store, so I didn't really look at them. You can buy your materials over here instead. So I went down to the second guy over here, Las Vegas Flooring. So let's take a look at their website and see what they're doing. So schedule a free estimate. They don't have their number up here, so they lose points in my book. They have products, about us, galleries, contacts, something very similar to yours, actually. You can shop brands. And as we scroll through, the words appear finally. Competitive pricing, knowledgeable staff, contact us. So they don't have a lot going on their website, which I'm very disappointed in. So let's take a look at the back end and see what's going on. So they're actually doing extremely well. They have a 24 UR rating, so they have a strong website. They don't have a great DR rating, which means that they don't have a lot of great backlinks. They have good ones, not great ones. They have about 1,300 backlinks, as you can see, with only 54 referring domains. So they want to get better referring domains that are stronger. They do have 151 keywords, though, so let's take a look at those, see what's going on. So they have Flooring Las Vegas Flooring. So excellent keywords to have, because look how much volume there is here. There's 1,600 people searching every single month for this specific keyword. He's getting 238 of them because he's in position 3. Now, typically, you'll get anywhere from 10 to 20% of all search volume when you're in the top 3 positions. As you can see, he's pulling in already way over 10%. Almost close to about 15. Las Vegas Flooring, 450 people a month search for that. He's getting in 131. He's in position 2. That's almost, what, barely maybe 30% right there? As you can see, every keyword here has something to do with Las Vegas and flooring or installers or stuff like that that have to do exactly with what he is offering. So how does this really help you out, Adrian? Honestly, all we really got to do is we got to get good content in your website, and we got to talk about what it is you're offering. So the second we get the content in there, we get the good keywords in there, and then lastly, we have to get you some good, strong backlinks and referring domains. Good news is I know exactly where to find some really good ones right here. These guys, Flooring Installation, Las Vegas Flooring, they have an excellent amount of good backlinks over here that you can use yourself. And anyway, that's all I got. You do those three things, content, backlinks, keywords, backlinks, and you should start rising up through the rankings of Google. Imagine if you can bring 100 people to your website. What would that do for you? Anyway, that's all I got. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.